So yeah, we are done with the first iteration, and you can see that this is an average that it shows of all the surfaces, all the sensor disks. We can hover over to a particular sensor and it will give you the exact value. It might be higher or lower than the average that's shown here. And the idea is to reduce this average. So you can put a whole lot of trees, but you can also do self shading in terms of orientation. So if I click out in this results file, it does not select the first iteration, it shows the original model. What I can do is I can take this and let me go to the shaded view, and I can rotate this, or I can use the gumball. I can select on this blue rotation tool, and I can maybe take it as, let's say, 30 degrees. Okay, uh, and this also I can make it 30 degrees. Click on this blue tool and say 30, as long as it's not coming away from my trees, and I'll probably move this using again the gumball a little bit here. Circle, I don't need it. So let's see, we had the first iteration. If we go here, it will show the original iteration. It saves and says 1564. Now I can go here and run the analysis once again, and it says previous simulation result yes, and I'll call it iteration 1. It's already saved. I'll call it 1 underscore 1, let's say. So let's see how much does it come to once I do slight changes in my orientation. And you'll see the second time it doesn't take as much time, but you will also see one more result file here. It's currently untitled, but the idea is to do as many iterations here and see, just because of this, maybe because you've exposed this side also, the overall average is slightly above. Okay, so you can do multiple iterations. I can double click and call it 2, and I think 2 already exists. Call it -2 or underscore 2, and you can see that if I just hide this command called hide, I can go to these individual iterations and see their values. Okay, sorry, and you can always save them. You can take a screenshot by doing Control P, and if I Control P, I can do very similar to CAD. I can do a window, and I can share this window. I can set the size, press enter, and I can save this. Alright, I can also take a screenshot of this, or this is the total data which I don't need, but I can keep doing iterations, and I can keep enlisting and keep comparing them with each other. So one thing is that if you want to export the data in a tabular format, you can click on this button and say export bitmap, and this is iteration 2. So I can actually go here, and it says iteration 2, and the x-axis is the month and y-axis is my radiation. And for iteration 2, it will give you, some sort of like this overall sum. So every month received per meter square, it will add and it will give you sort of an average over all the sensors. Okay, so I click OK, and I can save it as a PNG. Similar thing I can do for my second iteration or the earlier iteration also. So it'll give me this, and it'll give me a different value for each and every month. So you can always share them, compare them, put them with each other, and see which one works.